everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, we'll discuss about Uniform Resource Locator. What is Uniform Resource Locator? And simply we are calling that Uniform Resource Locator as the URL. And a client wants to access any type of document on internet that needs an address to access the documents, right? To access the document, we are using HTTP protocol concept. HTTP protocol concept. Here, HTTP uses URL to access the required document. To access the required document. Okay, the URL is a standard. URL is a standard way to specifying any kind of information on the internet. Okay, URL will be standard way to finding any kind of information on internet. Okay, the URL defines totally 4 parts. What are the 4 parts? Means method, host, computer, port number, and path. Okay, this is the URL diagram. Actually, this is the URL diagram. Okay, it contains these 4 parts. Okay, here what is method? Method is a protocol to retrieve the document from the server. Method is a protocol to retrieve the document from the protocol. For example, here method will use the HTTP. Okay, then what is the host? Host is the computer where the information is stored. Okay, and the computers is given the alias names. Okay, here based on this host name, the HTTP protocol will be retrieve our required documents. Okay, clear? For example, the host is nothing but what? Any web pages, any website name. Okay, for example, that is the Gmail. Okay, next, what is the port number? If the port is also contains the URL also contains the port number of the server, but it is the optional. That is the optional. Okay, not mandatory. It is the optional. If the port number is included, then it must come between the host and path. It is must be complete between host and path. It should be separated by host by calling a colon. Okay, it will be separate like this colon. Sorry, it is separated with colon. Okay, and last one is the path. What is the meaning of path here? A path is nothing but the path name physically where the information is stored. Okay, path is nothing but where the our required information will be stored physically. Okay, the path itself contains the slashes that separates the directories from subdirectories. Okay, this the slash will be separate from directory to subdirectory. Okay, clear? It is the .com. It is the URL of the Gmail. Okay, clear? It is very small topic. Please remember, this is also one of the important topic in computer networks. Thank you everyone.